If you're tired of settling for subpar sound from low-quality speakers and want to elevate your listening experience, it's time for an upgrade. That's where stereo amplifiers step in. They deliver rich, detailed audio while unlocking the full potential of your sound system. But with so many choices out there, finding the perfect match can feel overwhelming. That's why in this video, I'll guide you through the 5 best stereo amplifiers on the market. Whether you're a dedicated audiophile or just looking to enjoy crystal-clear music at home, I'll help you choose the ideal amplifier for your setup. You'll find links to the best prices for all the products mentioned in the video description below. Keep in mind that these amplifiers aren't ranked in any specific order, so stay tuned to discover which one fits your needs perfectly. At number 5, we have the Marantz PM6007, the best entry-level amplifier on our list. Designed to deliver high-quality sound for 2-channel hi-fi systems, it excels with both analog and digital sources. Offering a power output of 45 watts per channel at 8 ohms, this amplifier ensures rich, detailed audio across the entire frequency range. Marantz incorporates a toroidal transformer and custom block capacitors to maintain consistent power and deliver deep, punchy bass. Vinyl enthusiasts will appreciate the built-in phono stage with an FET input, which enhances playback for turntables. The updated digital-to-analog converter supports high-resolution audio up to 24-bit, allowing for greater clarity and detail in your music. Flexible connectivity is another strong point. With 5 analog inputs, 1 coaxial input, and 2 optical digital inputs, making it easy to connect a variety of devices. The Marantz PM6007 features proprietary HDM SA3 circuitry, which improves dynamic range while minimizing distortion, creating a natural and immersive listening experience. It also includes digital filter modes for coaxial and optical inputs, allowing users to customize their sound preferences, with high-quality speaker terminals offering A/B switching, copper screws, and a fully shielded DAC unit. This amplifier is crafted for durability and optimal performance. Its sleek design and thoughtful features make it a standout choice for beginners looking to enhance their audio experience with audiophile-level quality. Whether you're diving into the world of hi-fi or upgrading your home setup, the PM6007 provides exceptional value and precise sound delivery. Coming in at number 4 is the Rhea Ethos, the ultimate stereo amplifier for audiophile purists. This powerhouse delivers high-end sound performance through a meticulously engineered balanced design, making your music feel alive and immersive. With a power output of 125 watts per channel at 8 ohms and 155 watts per channel at 6 ohms, the Ethos is designed to handle demanding speakers with ease. Its dual mono architecture, featuring top-tier components like a custom-wound toroidal transformer and Rhea's K-Power capacitors, ensures exceptional power delivery and unwavering sound stability. Whether you're listening at low volumes or pushing your speakers to their limits, this amplifier maintains clarity and control. The Ethos employs a Class A preamplifier circuit for unparalleled sound purity. Utilizing discrete field effect transistors, this design reduces noise and enhances clarity, making every note more precise. A standout feature is the Alps RK27 potentiometer for volume control, allowing accurate gain adjustments while preserving balance across channels for distortion-free audio that rivals professional-grade equipment. For connectivity, the Ethos includes 5 RCA line inputs, a headphone output, and preamp outputs, making it adaptable to various setups. One of its unique offerings is a direct input mode, allowing it to function as a power amplifier within a larger system. While it lacks digital inputs found in some competing models, this all-analog design guarantees signal purity, making it ideal for audiophiles using high-fidelity analog sources, such as turntables paired with external phono stages. With its robust build, dynamic performance, and minimal signal interference, the Rhea Ethos is a top-tier choice for those who value uncompromised sound fidelity. For the latest prices and more details on the stereo amplifiers featured in this video, check the links in the description. And if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated. At number 3, we have the Rega LX MK4, an exceptional mid-range stereo integrated amplifier designed to deliver pure high-fidelity sound. Offering 72 watts per channel into 8 ohm speakers or 90 watts into 6 ohms, this amplifier strikes the perfect balance between power and precision. Its Class AB amplifier circuitry ensures a harmonious blend of warmth and clarity, catering to even the most discerning ears. Building on a Rega's reputation for excellence, the LX MK4 introduces enhanced digital capabilities with its integrated Rega DAC circuit. This includes 2 digital inputs, one optical and one coaxial, providing seamless compatibility with a variety of digital sources without sacrificing audio fidelity. The amplifier shines in its connectivity options, supporting both line-level and digital inputs, alongside a dedicated moving magnet phono stage for turntable enthusiasts. Additionally, it features 4 analog line-level inputs, pre-out and record-out outputs, and a front-panel headphone jack for versatile use. This flexibility makes it easy to integrate into existing setups or expand to accommodate external components. Rega's dedication to quality is evident in the design, with high-end components like discrete circuitry, polypropylene capacitors, and Sanken output transistors. These elements work together to deliver precise, dynamic sound with a rich, tonal range. The LX MK4 also boasts a redesigned custom chassis that improves ventilation and heat dissipation, complete with a thermal cutout system to safeguard against overheating. Ideal for audiophiles who crave the warm nuances of analog sound while appreciating the convenience of modern digital technology, the Rega LX MK4 sets a new standard for mid-range amplifiers. Its meticulous craftsmanship and immersive performance are sure to elevate your listening experience. At number 2, we have the Naim XS3, a premium splurge amplifier that epitomizes high-end sound quality paired with a minimalist analog approach. Prioritizing essential features, the XS3 stands out with its superb sonic performance and sleek, understated design. Delivering 70 watts per channel into 8 ohm speakers, it offers ample power and dynamic control, making it a versatile choice for various music genres. One of its standout features is the built-in moving magnet phono stage, tailored to deliver exceptional clarity and detail from vinyl records. Rarely found in integrated amplifiers at this level, the phono stage produces a vibrant, textured sound, enhancing the enjoyment of vinyl playback by capturing even the most subtle nuances of your favorite records. For headphone enthusiasts, the XS3 includes a Class A headphone amplifier, offering top-tier audio quality without the need for an external device. Whether you're enjoying music through speakers or headphones, the XS3 excels in delivering a captivating listening experience. Constructed with a focus on durability and elegance, the XS3 reflects Naim's reputation for producing high-performance audio equipment. Its high-quality components, such as updated transistors and a discrete power supply, contribute to a low-distortion output and a spacious soundstage. This ensures exceptional instrument separation and vocal clarity, making it particularly well-suited for intricate jazz or orchestral pieces. With a range of connectivity options, including 4 stereo RCA inputs and DIN connectors, the XS3 integrates seamlessly into both vintage and modern audio setups. Its signature Naim sound profile combines smooth richness with precise tonal balance, offering an engaging and lively musical experience that's hard to match. If you're looking for an amplifier that pairs minimalist design with exceptional performance, the Naim XS3 is a stellar choice. At the top of our list is the Audez A15, the ultimate choice for those seeking a premium integrated amplifier with outstanding audio performance. Engineered to prioritize pristine and detailed sound, this amplifier boasts an 80-watt Class AB output per channel, providing ample power to drive even the most demanding speakers. Its robust performance makes it ideal for larger rooms or dynamic audio setups. Vinyl lovers will appreciate the built-in moving magnet phono stage, delivering clean and precise playback without the need for an external preamp. A thoughtful feature for enthusiasts of analog audio. The A15 excels in connectivity, offering a range of input options, including 3 analog RCA inputs and 2 digital inputs, optical and coaxial, that support high-resolution audio up to 24-bit. Additionally, it features Bluetooth streaming with Qualcomm's aptX adaptive technology, enabling near-CD quality wireless audio, making it versatile for both traditional and modern audio sources. For private listening, the A15 includes a dedicated headphone output compatible with both wired and wireless headphones, adding versatility for different listening preferences. Built with premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship, the Audeze A15 combines power with precision. Its efficient circuitry reduces distortion and preserves audio purity, resulting in a rich, immersive sound experience. This amplifier stands out for its blend of high-quality components, adaptability, and user-friendly design, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their home audio system. And that wraps up our list. We hope this roundup helps narrow down your options and makes finding the perfect stereo amplifier a breeze. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Also, check out the description below for links to the latest prices on all the products we covered. See you in the next video!